Each interaction presents an opportunity for learning and improvement. At Chandigarh University's Rise and Speak in Straight Talk with the Chancellor, we provide a platform for faculty members to share their ideas, feedback and engage in meaningful discussions to contribute to the institution's growth. Our aim is to establish a work atmosphere that fosters faculty empowerment, productivity enhancement and work-life balance.
Talking about my experience so far, I have seen this university grow and it gives me immense pleasure to have been associated with such a university in which we focus upon giving the highest quality of education to the students. Second, talking about today's session, I am elated, I am truly happy from the bottom of my heart that we had a direct chance to talk with the Chancellor and pour our hearts out to him. He has a complete insight to our job styles, our working experiences over here, and the kind of input that he has given, the kind of patience that he has shown while listening to us and giving us suggestions.
It was a great pleasure today that we have a direct chance to talk with our Chancellor Sir, and I have never seen such a platform in any university. I have worked in many universities, but for the past 5 years, I'm just happy that we have been given this opportunity, that where we have no fear, where we have no other fear, that we can talk with our Chancellor Sir directly.
Today is my first session which I have attended here in the Chandigarh University, and trust me, बहुत ज़्यादा इंथुसियाज़म था, बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंसी थी और बहुत सारे ऐसी क्यूरीज थी जिनका हमें बहुत अच्छे से सर ने हमें एड्रेस किया है, जो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा। और जिस तरह से क्यूरी सेटिस्फाई की गई हैं, जो भी हमारी चीज़ें थी, हमारे मन में जो भी हलचल थी, वो सब एक तरह से बहुत इस सेशन से शांत हुई हैं। आई रिस्पेक्ट सर कि उन्होंने इतने अच्छे से, इतना स्मूथली सेशन को कंडक्ट किया और सभी को एड्रेस किया।
This is the wonderful event I have seen in this university, and I have never heard means anywhere. Means I have worked 12 years in the other institutions also, and this event never ever I have seen in any other university. So this is a very heart-touching event I have felt. All the problems has been understood by our Chancellor Sir like a head of our family. Means it was very amazing to interact with our Chancellor Sir, and means with the faith to fulfill all the, means to solve all the problems raised by the faculty and all the verticals of the university.
A goal at Chandigarh University is to involve our distinguished faculty members in the decision-making process, enabling their continuous personal and professional growth and aligning them with our vision to excel. We listen, we deliver is a commitment to our stakeholders at Chandigarh University.